Hello, my dear viewers. This is the EURGBP webinar, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Hello, Desert Island. Hello, MGA. Thank you for the wait, and sorry also for the wait. This is the EURGBP webinar, and you are watching your favorite show, that is Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 27th of March 2023. Maybe the last week of the month. Well, I am a EURGBP's trading community member, my friends, and I'll ask you not to confuse me with the EURGBP employee. I am not an employee of EURGBP Bank. I'm here to give my views about the maybe some trading ideas that we are going to discuss. Okay, and believe me that these trading ideas are of my own. They have nothing to do with the EURGBP Bank because I'm not their employee. I'm an independent analyst. Therefore, all the views, opinions, or trading ideas that I'm going to discuss in this live stream are of my own. And what we are going to do in this half an hour or so? Well, we are going to discuss strictly the price action. We'll not be discussing any fundamental analysis. Insanely pro trust trader, trading with peace. Thank you so much. Insanely pro trust trader. Nice name, by the way. And because as a technical analyst, we know that every piece of information that we talk about is already priced into the chart. So we will only focus our analysis on the charts. What are charts trying to tell us? We will try to decipher that, or we will try to interpret that information from the chart. And to the charts that we are going to use in this program will be the candlestick charts. There are different types of charts, my friends, like area chart, line chart, bar charts, and so on. But we'll only be focusing ourselves on the candlestick charts because they give us more information than any other type of chart. If you're new to the technical analysis, maybe you can go to the channel's home page and go through the playlist section where you will find two playlists created by me. One is the profitable candlestick patterns playlist, and the other one is the profitable chart patterns playlist. If you have time, you may go through them also. If you go through these patterns, it will help you in understanding what we talk about in this program. At the end of the session, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers and will try to satisfy them with my answers. I encourage you to ask questions in the chat. The chat is live. You can reach me within 5 seconds of writing something in the chat. So I'll try to answer your questions or clear your doubts if you have any. Lastly, everything that I say in this live stream is only to increase your knowledge, your potential knowledge. It is not a trading advice directly. So you do your own research before you put your money on the line. That is very important. All right, guys, let me take you through the risk disclaimer. This is also very important. Please go through this risk disclaimer. And if you don't mind, let me have some coffee by the time you go through this risk disclaimer, because I might need some energy. All right. So first things first, guys, on your screen is the 4-hour chart of the dollar index. Okay. And this chart is giving you a lot of information about what is going to happen next. Now from here, from this low here on 23rd of March, the price started making higher highs and higher lows. Well, that is okay, but the long-term time frame, that is the daily, is already making lower highs, lower lows here. Yeah. So here again, it was making lower highs and lower lows. And somehow we were aware that this area 103.02 will be attracting sellers. And when we switch to 4-hour, we anticipated the entry of sellers around here because this was a confluence of resistance. Because there are two reasons for the sellers to go short. Okay, on 27th of March. Today the price did not go there, but these lows that the price had made on 27th before the, I mean during 26th and 27th, these lows are taken out right now in this current 4-hourly candle. That means at this rising channel, the buyers who try to enter here and push the prices higher, I will switch you maybe 1 hour, it will be even more evident. So you can say that if this was a side channel like this, okay, so those who try to enter buy even here at this candle here at the opening, they went out at this low because their stop losses would have been lower than this, right? So they were out here, and those who entered here, okay, like this, they were still trying to enter, boom, 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 they were out in this candle. So now whenever the price is going higher, people are looking for a selling opportunity and they are getting it at the previous highs, okay, or the previous lows. So now from here, the first target that we should be talking about is 102.37, okay, and you can also create one channel on the hourly like this. Although the sell-off that is happening now is not so nice, okay, looking at this price action, I will say, just comparing, I'm just trying to compare this buying here to here. Like if you just keep this low, look at the numbers, to this high, it is 146 points and 25 periods, and from here to here it is again 26 periods and only 47 points. It is evident that the time that the price has taken to go from here till here is almost same that it has taken from here to here. So it is 140 points from here, this is only 40 points or 46 points. So that means the buyers are aggressive than the sellers. Also in this process, it has broken through this high that the price had made before making this low here, and even this high before making this low. So when this high was taken out here, the market structure broke and then they started acting as a buy, or you can say as a support. And every time the price is making a higher high, another higher low is expected to form. Now before making this high here, on 1 hour, the price made this low here on 1 hour, which is 102.14. So I'm expecting this low to be held when the price is going up. So I will switch this to this one. So I'm expecting this now to act as a good support even if the price started falling from here. Now this is one thing. Then we have a fair value gap. I don't know how many of you are aware of the fair value gap. This is the concept that ICT teaches, I will say. Okay, if you are following a follower of ICT, because he has explained this to the world what a fair value gap is. So if the price reaches this area here, this is a fair value gap from where this is on the 1 hour. So expect this area to act as a very good support. Now on the bigger time frames, it looks like, oh, the price is going towards 102.14. Yes, but on the way down there is a fair value gap on the 1 hour, so that may provide a huge support to the price, and the buyers may jump in here and push the prices beyond 103.02. That is what my thinking now is. Okay, otherwise 102.14 is definitely a good support on the way down. On the way up, we have resistance at 103.02, but also keep an eye on this region, which is like 102.27 to 102.45. This should act as a good support. My intention to tell you is that do not be a blunt seller in the US dollar right now, because the price is very close to the area which I am looking for as a support now. Okay, I will also draw it maybe for you so that you have clear indication of what I am trying to say you here. This is what I am expecting. If the price goes here, it will not take here any, it will not wait for any further thing, and it will directly push beyond 103.02. That is what my thinking is. All right, what is euro doing here now? After this breakout to the upside, the euro immediately came in again to take a support here. Well, we were already expecting this. Remember, when the price I said breaks out higher, it will come back to this area to test it as a fresh support. It did not come here, but yes, it has come to these highs which it had broken, and now this level is acting as a good support. Okay, now this on the daily, if you include this 26th of March, that is yesterday's Sunday's candle, then it is a bullish engulfing, but we should not include this actually. Why it is showing, I don't know. What is the time zone that I am using? Okay, so on the higher side we have 1.0936 as the resistance, and from here if there is a follow-up to the upside, I'll be expecting that to be broken, that is 1.0936, because the sellers, or you can say the people who are like weak by the heart, or I will say those who wanted to book their profits already in the buys, they have already taken their profits. So those who are short here, they may get trapped very soon, because if the buying happens from here, they will have stop losses just above this, that is about 1.0936. And I think that now buyers will target their stop losses, those who have sold it here. And if their stop losses are triggered above this, then 1.1032 will be achieved very soon. See, this is just a game of stop losses getting filled, right? Once you make any high which is higher than 1.0939 here, will trigger all the stop losses in this area and will push the prices towards 1.1032. That's all here. If the price starts going down, then I will be expecting 1.0694 to act as a support in this one. So the two important levels for me as of now are, I think, 1.0694 to the downside and 1.0939 this week on the upside. Once this level is taken out, then I think we can simply target 1.01032 on the upside. After this level, I will be like exclusive buyer in the euro, because after this there is a very little resistance on the way up at around 1.1184. Thereafter we have huge highs to be tested, that is this range 1.1483. all right, See guys, this is a simple game of testing highs on the way up and testing lows on the ways down. Okay, keep this in mind. What about the Great Britain pound? This time again, the price at 1.2203 has found good support. Now it is again going up to test these highs, which I think it may not be able to test, because technically the price is going to find resistance again around 1.2312, or whenever the price tests this rising channel which has been broken, will be acting as a resistance. I mean the support line will be acting as a resistance as and when the price touches this level. So in that case, we will become sellers with the target of 1.2203 first target, 1.2121 as the second target, and we will have resistance on the upside at around 1.2430. If you ask from the levels which we are watching right now, 1.2312 is supposed to be acting as a resistance. Why it is so? Okay, from the past we can see that this level was a good support in the past, so expect this to act as a resistance. Although I don't agree with this, I think I will put it like this, and also this one I will put it like that. These are the levels which I will be keeping an eye on. 1.2343 on the upside, 1.2189, and this is a small range, 1.2203 to 1.2189, to look as a support. All right guys, so these two levels please keep an eye on the 4 hour at least. Australian dollar, I want a reason to buy this pair, but it is not giving me any reason whatsoever to go long. Maybe now this is going to go below these relevant equal lows here. Okay, maybe the price is going to test over 0.6547, because the price action is not suggesting me about any up move from here, and I cannot buy this market till the time the market structure is not broken to the upside. Now here I was expecting a break above 0.6783, but that did not happen. In fact, the price broke the market structure to the downside, so I'm again looking for a selling opportunity now at around 0.6665, which it seems like has already given me an opportunity. I'll show you on 4 hour. It is very easy to spot below this, when the price went below this. Okay, now this level has started acting as a resistance again, and it is acting as a resistance every time the price is approaching towards that. Now on the lower side we have 0.6584 as the first level of support, and later on we have 0.6547, the ultimate support, below which I think it will be time to dump Australian dollar if the price starts trading below 0.6747 comfortably. Like if the price trades below a support comfortably, that means that that support is not relevant and there are more losses on the way down, that means. But that is a different story now, and I think now we will get some reason or the other to go long in this pair. So I will just remove these areas so that we have a clear read on the price action when the time comes. So this channel for sure, downtrending channel, is broken. The price was trying to take support here once. Now again the price is headed towards that area, and it is trying to create a wedge type of structure. I will suggest how it is trying to create a wedge type of structure. Well, like this. Like this. And if I show you some triangle here, like this. Okay, so once this wedge breaks to the upside, that will be a bullish trade, right? So yes, when the falling wedge breaks, it is a bullish thing, and I want something bullish in the Australian dollar, and that too very close to the support area, this 0.6584 to 0.6547. This is an area which I will be looking for as a support. So let's see how the things unfold here in this one, Australian dollar. Right now it is in a sell mode, the resistance being 0.6665, the support being 0.6584, but this dynamic support line from this falling wedge may also provide some support to the price on the way down. So I will turn these colors into different one, maybe red, so that we have a clear image of what I'm talking about. Okay, now it's better. Yeah. About the New Zealand dollar, well, 0.6188 is where you are expecting to find support on the daily. Here, all right. See, this price has been following higher highs and higher lows very concisely until now. Okay, this is not the level. Actually, this is the level that we are expecting. If you see, if you keep a line at the lows that the market is making, then this low 0.6166 needs to be broken for us to become cautious in this market, and that level is still holding. So any higher low that the price makes will be in line with the higher highs and higher lows. One thing. So what we are expecting, we are already expecting a low to be formed which is higher than 0.6166. Right now the price is trying to go slowly towards 0.6166, or I will say that yes, we are getting maybe another opportunity to go long in this market. Okay, so you are getting more and more opportunities close to 0.6166 if you want to be buyers in this market, which is in line with the daily chart. Then you can buy it very close to 0.6166 if it gives you another opportunity. But also note that you below 0.6166 you will have to give up your positions on the long side, or you can say you have to keep your stop loss very small. Maybe below 0.6139 will be a better idea, because if we see a trade below 0.6166, that will open the way to 6139, and anything lower than that will open the way to 0.6083. So you don't want to stay in this trade very long if the price goes below 0.6166. On the contrary, above 0.6166, this is a very good zone. I'll say this is a very good zone to go and buy this market. All right, but below this it is not good, because below this it is a zone which you should be looking for a selling opportunity like this. I hope these color coding helps. Okay, and 0.6166 is the crucial area now. All right, USDJPY. Well, we have reasons. We have more reasons to buy USDJPY. But I think on the 4 hour, yes, it has become. I told you that on 5 minutes it is a buy, on 1 hour it is a buy. Now on 4 hour it is a buy. Okay, on 4 hour the price made this high, then the lower low, then it made a lower high. Okay, this cannot be a lower high because this is not a swing. So from this swing the price has already taken out this swing at 131.66, and once the swing is taken out we become cautious because we look for a buying opportunity in this one. Now this is a swing low, and later on this was a swing low, so the price cannot go below this low. If the price goes below this low here on 26th of March, the price has made 130.45 as the low. If it goes below this low, then this swing will be cut, or the swing will be not relevant. So I think the price will keep on making higher highs and higher lows in this one. And also on the daily chart, if the price closes above 133.00, that will become a buy in the USDJPY on the daily chart. And the next target that we will be looking for here will be the next swing high, which will be around 133.82. This one here. All right, guys. So on the way up, we have 133, 133.82, 135.11 to be tested in this market, guys. On the lower side, we have support around 129.80, but I will change it to 129.63 because that is the recent swing low on the 4 hour that we have made. I hope everybody is with me in this one, guys. If you remember how I explained you swing highs and lows here. All right. So USDCAD. Guys, make sure that you mark these levels on your charts because these are the levels that are going to be like be very important in, I think, the next week or this week. Okay, the price is trading in the range where I'm expecting it to act as a support, and once the price has actually gone from here to the upside but was rejected, and this rejection is really very bad. Today we are watching live now a Marubozu candle on the formation on the daily chart. Okay, now this formation may continue till this low, that is 1.3630 area, and if that 1.3630 area breaks, then we will be looking for 1.3533 in this market, guys. Okay, otherwise we can still look for a buying opportunity here and target 1.3832 in this market. The price is already in the range of buying, but looking at the bearish price action, I will suggest you wait for the price to turn bullish here. If the price does not turn bullish, do not buy this market. There is no point in buying at these red candles. Yeah, if you find something like this here, you can still keep a stop order above the high of this candle like this. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, that's okay. But if you are looking to buy at the red candles, I think that is not a good idea because these candles can keep on going lower and you never know till what time they can keep going lower. And also see this closing, this strong closing in the red at very close to the lows on the 4 hour. Just now the candle has closed like 5 seconds ago. This is not a good indication, and this is an indication that the price may see lower lows here in this one. So very close to this low, that is 1.3630, the price can go. So do not buy right now. Look for a buying opportunity when the green candle comes here in the form of bullish pin bar or bullish engulfing, right? USDCHF. Well, USDCHF also is not holding higher. Anytime the buyers are trying to push the prices higher, it is being sold off. Now the price is trading below the crucial resistance of 0.9164, only 5 pips below that, but we have next support around 0.9070 area. So keep these levels on your charts. You can switch to the 4 hours, and if you see that this level is holding as a good resistance, like no, not a good resistance, but these are the good supports. I think one can look for a selling opportunity below these 0.9151 or 9152 area. After this, the price will jump to 0.9118. So yes, you have a 40 pips of move possible here if the price goes below 0.9151, which you can actually use as a selling opportunity here with a small stop loss above 0.9165 and target this low as the first target and later on 0.9070 as the second target. Silver. Well, I think silver people are aware. My friends all are aware that we were expecting these highs, sorry, these lows to act as a resistance, zone of resistance on Friday. Well, it happened and the price came back, but it has not come that way. I'll not say that way. It has not corrected that much as we were expecting. We are expecting a correction towards 22.25 or 2213, and once this level is tested as the fresh support, then only we can expect 24.54. okay, now the price is trying to correct. At least on the 4 hour, it must be looking for the lower highs and lower lows. Yes, so you see this sell-off that has started from this high around 23.51 has not given any okay, so, wait, let me show you something on the price action here. When the price was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, lower lows. So I'm expecting now lower high and lower low. Do you have any problem in this what I have created right now? Any problem whatsoever? Do you believe something like this may happen? Do you have any trouble with what I have drawn here, guys? Is this market structure on the 4-hour correct or not correct? Let me know in the chat, boys. Please let me know in the chat so that I can tell you what is happening next here. Insanely pro trust trader, are you still there, bro? Are you still there? Are you still with me? If you are, do you understand what I have drawn here? Hello, anyone here, or I'm alone? Desert Island is happy with your view. So you say that yes, this is correct. Okay. So till now, till this point here, the price was making always higher high like this one. Like this was a higher low. This one was a higher high. Yeah. And this is again a higher high. This is again a higher high. So every high is higher than the previous one. And here, this was a higher low. This was still higher low. Here something changed. This became a lower low. And now we are expecting a lower high. Lower highs and lower lows are formed in the downtrend. So we are expecting some downtrend at least towards 22.13 on the 4-hour. Why we are expecting it? We are expecting it. Is it a head and shoulders? No, it is not a head and shoulder right now, but we are expecting it to become a head and shoulder. We are expecting it to become a head and shoulder. Okay, like say okay, like you see that from here the price made this high, and from this low the price made this shoulder, and then made this reaction low, and then made this head, again made a reaction low, and this time we are expecting it to make a shoulder. To some extent you're right, and then we are expecting it to go down. Okay, now on 4-hour we are expecting it to only make a move till 22.13 because that is the deeper correction that we are looking for. But this may be a reversal, this may not be a reversal to the downside, because on the daily chart, if you see, we don't have this price action. On the daily chart we have this low, then we have this swing high, this swing high, thereafter we have this swing low, thereafter we have this swing high, swing low, swing high, and you see before making this high here, the price had only made this low here at 22.13. so if we have to become sellers in this market, the price need to cross below this level like this. Okay, and we are expecting to go in the direction of the trend, that is to the upside. So what we are expecting, the price to go at least till this level, where we will be looking for a buying opportunity, and then the price will go at least towards the previous high, that is 23.50 here. Although the price can still go beyond that, all right, but the lowest hanging fruit here is this area. I hope that helps. So if the price has started going lower, if the price has started going lower and started making lower low, lower high, so the extent to which it can go counter trend is 22.13, because then the buyers of the daily time frame will jump in to push the prices further highs. All right, I hope that helps. If you don't understand, let me know in the chat. If you understand this completely, let me know in the chat. Do you understand this, my friends? If the price starts going lower from here, I'll be expecting the price to reach 22.13, not 22.13 exactly, but to test this region as the fresh support. This area of 22.25 to 22.13. Okay, let us see how the things unfold here in the future, tomorrow or maybe day after. And let's have a look at the gold. Well, this 4-hourly candle has a huge volume. Why there are huge volume? Because this is confluence of London and US opening. Okay, so the price made here also, you see on the daily the price made a higher high, higher low, and the price has made a lower high here, and we are not sure whether it is making a lower low here or not. Well, if it does, then it will be a double top, boom boom breakdown. Okay, if it does not, then the price may be still be making a symmetrical triangle, and if it is making a symmetrical triangle, I will still be observing this market. Okay, like this. So let us see how the things unfold here about the symmetrical triangle. But I think till the time the price is trading above this 1934, I will be a buyer only, because the price will consolidate for some time and then it will definitely go towards 2070 and 2135, which we are expecting as the targets on the upside, because you see the price is really trading above 9059 levels very comfortably. And if it is doing so, then over the period of time it will attract more and more buyers on these lows, and the price can shoot towards 2070. Well, that is my personal opinion. But for some reason, if this symmetrical triangle breaks to the downside, then 1934 will be expecting as the first support. I'll not be expecting 1907 to be hold here, but 1885 will be my next level of support if the price starts going lower from here. 1934 as the first support, 1885 as the second support, third support will be 1858, fourth will be 1820 to 1807 area. So these will be the levels that you will have to watch when the price starts going down. Right now 1934 is a very crucial support for the price to hold. If it does not hold, then it will be a clear double top breakdown. Okay, I hope that helps. On the 4-hour it will be more evident actually. You see here the price makes a top, then it makes a reaction low, then it makes almost same level of another high, then it comes back to this area. If it gets support here to the upside, fine. If it doesn't get support and breaks down, that will be a confirmed double top breakdown. Brent, guys, Brent is what? It's a crude oil. Now this price action here, some of my friends may say, oh, Rakesh is making lines after the price is getting traded. No, my friend, this is not happening. You can go back as long you want, maybe I think 21st of March or maybe last week. As soon as this thing happened, I started saying that the price is going down and then it is going to break towards 80.39, 84.27, 86.91. Okay, and that is exactly what is happening right now. That is exactly what is happening, and you can even see my line going from here. The price has started making higher highs, so I'll be expecting it to make higher lows. So when the price goes up from here, now expect it to take support here if it goes lower, and 80.39 and then maybe 80.41. so this is what now this may not happen in the one go. I mean, this can happen like this also. Okay, but yes, the price is going higher now and it will be supported because this downtrending channel on the 4-hour at least is now broken, and I think on the daily also it is broken. You see, on the daily also it is broken. So expect higher highs and higher lows in this market. Everything starts making sense if you stay with me like for 1 week. You will know how to interpret these markets. It is so easy. MGA if you are here, Desert Island if you are here, Insanely Protest Trader if you are here. Do you understand this, what I am telling here? It is very important for me that you understand it completely, otherwise this will be like a bullshit for you if you don't understand. So US dollar against the South African rand, how is it performing? Let me check. Well. Wait. Why we have made this channel? Let me show you something. Okay, price merit. So from here you may be thinking, yeah, price is making higher highs and higher lows, so this is a buying market, right? Anybody can think like this. Even I can, in the first instance, I will think like this. If I don't have a planned thing about the USDZAR, I will be thinking, oh, the market is going up, I should be a buyer. No, the answer is no, my friends. You may get broke in this market here. You see, the market was making higher highs and higher lows earlier, but here something bad happened. In this sell-off, the market made a lower low than this low and then this low. This low is not relevant, but this low is relevant because after making this low, the market made a fresh high, which was higher than this high. So till now here, the market was making higher highs and higher lows. But when the market broke this low here, like on 23rd of March, it broke a crucial level. And the stop losses below this were triggered. Boom. If the stop losses below this are triggered, then the sellers know that they can take control of the market. So whenever they find a next opportunity, they will go short in this market. And if you are a good seller, where would you like to short sell? Would you like to short sell at the lower prices, or would you like to short sell at the higher prices? Just give me one answer. Where would you like to go short in this market? Simple question. Guys, where would you like to go short? Well, I would like to go short at the higher prices, but the higher prices should be such that they should not be higher than the previous highs. All right, so expect this price action now, my friends. Expect this price action. Okay, expect this price action. Let us see if this happens or not. Okay, this is the trajectory that Rakesh has given. Let us see if this happens or not, even to the lower levels. This is what I'm expecting. All right. And also notice that by the time the price will reach here, this RSI would have already made a higher leg, I think higher than this RSI here, at least higher than 56, oh sorry, 65. So you'll have a hidden bearish divergence here, which I am expecting to come into play when the price makes the next leg lower, and that will give you more and more room to push the prices lower towards maybe 70.6369 area. I hope you understand this. This is very difficult to understand, but if you understand this, fine. All right. 25207. Okay, this is 1 hour. Wait, let me switch to 1 day. Bitcoin is going to test 32417. 27362 was the support level. When that was broken, 25207 is what we are expecting to act as a support. If that level fails to hold as a support, you can shed your positions and you can just push out from it. But till the time I think 25207 is holding, we can still test 32417. But you see on the 4 hour, it has already started making lower highs and lower lows. You see, at least this from this was the highest high. After that, the price made a lower low and lower high, and again it has made a lower low. So yeah, the price may even come to this channel low and then make another high and then low. But yes, 25207 is what may be acting as a good support here, and the price can actually take some time here up and down before it makes a move up. 32,417 is imminent here. It can be taken anytime soon. You see the buyers are there at the lower levels, but there may be more and more buying when the price goes close to 25,207, which I am expecting to act as a huge support for the buyers. All right. Yes, right now it is a sell mode on the 4-hour, but on the daily it is still a buy above 25,207. Keep these levels on your chart. 25,207. Now this is not relevant, so just remove this. Maybe the previous high that the price has made, or maybe important. Right, this area 28,878 will be a crucial area. What about the EURJPY? EURJPY is again going towards 142.14. 142.14 has been a crucial area, but since we are talking about the price action, we cannot talk about 142.14 now time and again. Although this level was, after breakout from here, this level was a crucial level. From the downside, this was a crucial level. Again, it should be acting as a good resistance here, but you see, once a level is breached so many times, it loses its value. But if you notice that 142.14 area, whenever it is approached by the price, not that, but 142.20 area, every time the price is going here, it is reacting to this level. So again, when the price approaches here, maybe you will get a rejection to the downside, 138.82 area maybe. Looking at the price action, it seems like on the 4-hour the price has started making higher highs and higher lows here first. Then certainly it made a lower low here, then made a lower high and lower low, and now the price is making maybe a lower high again, and in the process of making a lower low. So expect some rejection at 142.21. This area is a crucial resistance. On the lower side, this area 141.40 may act as a support. Otherwise, 138.82 is the ultimate support in this market. Don't expect too much from here. The rejection may come at 142.20 area. EURGBP, I'm looking for a selling opportunity at the higher prices. The price is going down, so 0.8758 may be a buying opportunity, but not for us, because we are not looking for any buying opportunity in this market. We are looking for a selling opportunity, so we wait for the selling opportunity to emerge. Till then, we will be just looking sitting at the sidelines in this market and do nothing. So we'll just wait and watch. We'll keep our setup like this only. On the higher side, we have 0.8823 as the resistance, 0.8758 as the support. Yes, so 500. Well, yes, falling wedge was there. I was expecting it to become like a breakout to the upside. And 4078 area is where I was looking for a selling entry. Like this is 4-hourly, where the price has started making higher highs and higher lows. And on the daily chart, the price was making lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. So this now, the swing high is at 4078, and if the price keeps going higher from here, I will expect it to go at least to 4078, where I am expecting it to act as a resistance. Also, you see that this area 4078 and this falling channels resistance line are meeting the price at around 14th of April. That is 2 weeks later. For 2 weeks, if the price doesn't go beyond 4078, then I'll be very crucial. I mean, I'll be very focused in this area, because here you can see a lot of sellers emerging to push the price back towards 3809. So I'll be looking for this area on 14th of April, that is 2 weeks from now. Now you may be thinking, no, I want to buy or sell today, Rakesh. What are you talking about, 14th of April? No, I cannot wait 2 weeks. I'm sorry, friend. If you cannot wait for 2 weeks, then this market is not for you. So blunt. Rakesh is so blunt. Why he's so blunt? Because this is the truth. Okay, this is the truth. If you cannot wait for your setups to give you an opportunity, maybe this is not for you. If you are just looking for buy and sell every candlestick, maybe this is not a market for you. Okay, here you will get some buying and selling opportunities, but you will not get that risk to reward ratio which Rakesh is going to give you after 2 weeks. Okay, suppose you sell here, you will have a lot of confirmation. One is that there is a resistance at 4078. There is a resistance by this falling channel. If that resistance breaks, you don't want to stay in the market, so you can keep your stop loss very tight here. Like, you can keep your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, and you can target at least this area, which is the first support. On the way down, actually you will have this as the crucial support, and the channel will be your ultimate support. So if you are, say, if you are, say, selling here somewhere after the break of this channel and after the test of this channel, both of the channels, if you are selling somewhere here 4048, your stop loss can still be 5106 points, and your minimum target here will be around 10,000 points. Second target will be around 23,000 points. Third targets may be around 30,000 points. So you'll have 1:6 risk to reward ratio. Who don't want a trade like that? Who doesn't want a trade like that? Yes, you will have to wait, but the risk to reward ratio is huge, so it is worth waiting. Okay, that's why. All right, guys, euro against the Australian dollar is trying to knock at the ceiling. Maybe it will break through this ceiling soon, and this is not the first time I'm saying this, because euro Australian dollar is going huge. 1.6419 is the next level that we are looking for. Right now we need a closing above 1.6255, a closing above. I'm not saying a break above, a comfortable close above 1.6255 will open the way to 1.6419. Ethereum on the similar lines of the Bitcoin is trying to find some support here at the previous resistances, which may turn as support. Okay, here also some channel or wedge type formation is there, so expect this. This is really a wedge. I must show you, this is really a wedge, and it is suggesting me that the buying may emerge anytime soon. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so guys, let's see how the things unfold here from this wedge. Okay, I'm expecting a bullish price action here anytime soon, and the price can actually go beyond 1785 and maybe to 2028. Let's see how the things unfold here in the Ethereum in the future. But right now 1701 or 1707 is the crucial area of support, but the price is still going lower. I don't know why they want people to think that the price is selling off, although there are buyers at the lower levels. Let's see how the things unfold, guys, but I'm expecting this wedge to break to the upside. Canadian dollar against Japanese yen has taken 94.06 as the targets. After taking these targets, the price has entered the channel. Now it is trying to break through 96.32. If it does, the next target will be boom boom, not this one. Okay, thereafter it will be boom boom, this one. Okay, thereafter it will be boom boom, this high. So yes, Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen is doing good. It's doing good. Okay, it's doing good. It has on the 4-hour, the price will turn bullish above 97.11, guys. I'm sorry about that. On the 1-hour, it has already become the buy above this highs. See, and the price has become buy. But on the 4-hour, it will become then higher than 97.11. It will become a buy. You see, on the 4-hour, we don't have any. Well, this is a swing. This is also a swing. This is a swing low. Well, you can take it, but this was not the high that was established. So since this high was not established and this was the established high, because after this high, the price made a lower low than this one. So this was the established high, that is 97.11. When the price breaks through this, then only we can look for a buying opportunity in this market, at least on the 4-hour. On the daily, let me check on the daily. Yeah, even on the daily, this is the established high, 97.11. Once this breaks to the upside, we will be looking for a buying opportunity close to 96.32 and maybe even 94.06 in this market. Okay, guys, I'm done with the analysis. If you have any questions or queries, please let me know in the chat. Otherwise, I will be
Otherwise, I will be just closing this webinar soon. Let me know in the chat, what do you think about this webinar? Should I continue this type of webinars, or should I just stop it because it doesn't make any sense, because people are not talking in the chat? So what should I do? Let me know in the chat, guys. Are you interested in this free analysis of the major currency pairs, detailed analysis of all the pairs that we discuss, or you are just happy with wherever everybody else is doing here? I don't see anybody writing. Don't be lazy. Come on, guys. You're good people. Show some love. Smash that like button for me, which is below the video. You get couple of people asking. You get couple of people asking live. I don't. Janice, is there anybody? All right. So my friend Janice is also there. Thank you, Janice, for being part of this webinar. I hope that I have done. It is very useful for comparison only. Yeah. Okay, Desert. Thank you for the. But the timing of the stream is during the American morning and the European evening. Oh. So do you think that we need to change the time? No, but this is the most appropriate time that I can get. All right, guys. Thank you, Desert. When people are moving, yeah, yes. When they're going to office, maybe when they're leaving for home. So stick to what you do. Yeah, thank you so much, Janice. I appreciate that. I'll take it as a good feedback. So guys, I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in coming week. So please keep an eye on all these levels, mark them on your charts, and look how you can use them in your trading. Okay, just keep one thing in mind: do not risk more than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times whatever risk you are taking. Okay, it should be ideally 1%. And if your reward is not more than 3%, do not enter the trade. It is not worth it. Now, please press the like button if you find this webinar useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section also, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars if you are new here. The links to the USDCAD community are there in the description. Please go and join the USDCAD Forex community. There are many traders out there like you and me. And yeah, thank you very much once again for your time. Have a good day. See you tomorrow, same time. Till then, bye bye. Take care.